Hey, what's going on everyone? Moose here, and today I want to talk about, well, how I rejuvenated my machine, if you will. And we're going to talk about that coming up next. Alright, so I have had lots of outdoor toys my entire life. Tons of motorcycles, especially. I've ridden motorcycles since I don't even remember when I didn't. And I've used lots of products to keep them clean, keep them shiny, things like that. And when I got this machine, all this plastic, all of it, looked very, very dingy and dull. As a matter of fact, it looked like this. And I don't know if you guys can really see that. We'll show a little bit different here in a minute. But I actually started using a heat gun because, I mean, it was so dry. It just looked horrific. And, you know, I was okay with that. You know, I bought it used. It had 9,200 miles on it. And it was well maintained. The thing runs like a top. But just the exterior was just really tore up. I mean, it was not tore up from a aspect of cracked and dented, even though it has its battle scars. More of a dingy, like just didn't really kind of work out. And so I started seeing this product. This is Slick Products Multi-Surface Shine and Protectant. And I started seeing all kinds of videos on this, and you know how the algorithms work online. They're like, hey, you know, blah, blah, you know, we know you're looking for something to clean your machine. Check these guys out. So I did. I reached out to them. They sent me one bottle of this. Since then, I've bought 6 more on my own dime. And I can tell you, I love this stuff. I've used other products in the past, and I'm not knocking any other product. I'm really not. But I was so amazed at the way that this stuff rejuvenated stuff that I feel like I just need to share it with you guys. Now, I do have an affiliate link that'll save you some money. I'll put it in the description down below. You can click on that link, go pick these products up. I actually have the foam cannon from them as well, and their off-road wash. Amazing stuff. It really, truly is. You know, I just can't speak highly enough about these guys. And really, and at a very good price, as a matter of fact. And that was like the biggest seller for me, right? We all know those other brands out there can be very expensive. This was really a decent price for comparatively. And I'm going to show you guys what this will do. Now I have 2 of these brows. These were actually in here, right, until I put in these marker lights. This one, all I did was take it into my bathroom and just scrubbed it with some Dawn dish soap and, you know, and a scrub brush just to get it kind of clean. This one I left the way it was, and if you guys will give me just a second, I'll reposition the camera and I'll show you guys what they look like up close. Stick around, we'll be right back. Alright guys, now I'm really hoping that this will do this justice. This is, you can just see kind of how grayed out this is, right? Just, you know, this was what the entire machine looked like. And you can just see how dry it is and everything else. I mean, this one I didn't really wash or anything. That's just the way it came out of the machine. This one I actually did wash. And it definitely looks better being washed. But it didn't really have the shine, I guess, if you will. So what I want to do is just kind of take a little bit of this product. And like I said, this can's almost gone. So I'm just going to do like part of this. But I just want to show you guys just how nice this stuff really works. You know, look at how dark that is now. I mean, it's almost like you just spray painted this, right? So you can see the difference between here and there. You know, we're just going to keep coating this down. And you can, I mean, this can's really had it. All right, so we're going to let this sit. The directions do say to let it absorb for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, that's an important thing to realize, right? That they're actually telling you, listen, this stuff is going to penetrate into your plastics and revitalize the oils, right? Plastic has oils in it. And if you don't add those oils and it dries out, right? Heat, dirt, mud, water, rain, everything else, right? That's what it's going to do. Now, as you guys seen, I didn't do anything to this one. I didn't clean it. This is just how it was out of the machine. But look at what this does, even to cover the dirt. You know, I mean, I know that's kind of a weird thing to say, right? But, I mean, that's dirt. And I just, like, basically kind of took it all away by just spraying some of this on there, right? So I've used this on my entire machine. If you guys could have seen how bad, and I have some pictures, and I never really thought about doing like a before and after, and then I was so impressed I got carried away. I just started going to town and just kind of wiping everything down, and then it became so beautiful that honestly I had a buddy of mine come over the other day. Now I'm almost at 10,000 miles on this machine now. My buddy comes over the other day. You guys have seen him in some of my videos. Yeti, Uncle Yeti, as my son calls him. And he was like, dude, if I didn't know any better, I would say this was a brand new machine. And I'm like, you know what? I feel the same way. I mean, that's a perfect representation of what this stuff actually did to make this machine work. Now, I'm just going to take this piece here and kind of rub it in. And I could have let this sit longer, but to be honest with you, you really don't even have to. And not only that, this stuff smells amazing. And I know that, dude, a gimmick, you know, so what? What does it smell like? I don't care if it smells like Limburger cheese, as long as it does its job, right? But, you know, I can honestly tell you that having that pleasant smell does really smell good. But just look at how vibrant that looks. Now I'm going to pull out my Streamlight flashlight, and I'm just going to show you guys. Look at the shine on that now, as opposed to this side, right? Look how dull that is. Look how shiny that is. And the cool thing is, as well, is that this puts a protective coat on top of your plastic as well. And what it's going to end up doing is when the dirt hits this, right? Because nothing's going to stop mud from 100% sticking, right? Not on plastic anyway, right? You can get some really good ceramic coatings and stuff like that. But, you know, nothing's really going to stop the dirt from necessarily hanging in there. But boy, I'll tell you, this makes it so nice when it comes time to wash your machine. I mean, you could pretty much just hose it off and give it a little wipe down. But look at how clean this one came out, right? This was the one that was dirty. Look, there's even a spider web in there. That's how old this thing's been sitting around, because it's just past winter. But look at how clean that came out. In this one, I did not wash, right? This was just, you know, hey, I'm just going to spray it and kind of call it good, right? But tell me that isn't great, right? Look at how vibrant that black looks. It literally makes your machine look brand new. So if you guys are interested, definitely check them out. Slick Products, there'll be a link in the description down below where you can save yourself some money buying this through my affiliate link. Listen, I appreciate it if you guys buy it, because it does help me out. You know, I get a small kickback. It's nothing big. I'm not going to retire off of it, but it does allow me to buy more products where maybe they don't send me products and I don't get to try them out. I just have to go try them. But Multi-Surface Shine and Protect, definitely check out their foam cannon. They have one for a garden hose, and they also have one that works with your power washer. It's just a quick disconnect. I've actually got it sitting over there. We're going to do a separate video on that. But cleans and shine, renews faded surfaces, great up plastics, rubbers, and vinyls. I've actually used it on my my rims too. reduces mud adhesion, and it's got this fresh tropical scent. I'm telling you, it does really smell good. And like I said, listen, I've used other products. I'm not knocking other products, but when it comes to the price of things, right, we all think about that, right? Not one of us is just going, I don't care what it costs, blah, blah, because I can tell you there's no difference. Let me rephrase that. There's no difference besides cost and effectiveness, right? They're all going to make things look good initially. This stuff's been on my machine now for 3 weeks, and I've washed it 3 times. 3 weeks, I've washed it 3 times, and it still looks amazing. So definitely check them out. Slick Products, Multi-Surface Shine and Protectant. And don't forget to click the link in the description down below. It'll save you some money, and we'll catch you guys next time. Till next time, be good to each other. God bless.